beach here. This is Patong beach. Really clear at night. Maybe it's not really clear my video, but look at the water. It's really clear water. It's like, you see? You can see it. How do you feel, Mitesh?
Chilling, fresh.
But today is Friday, no
Friday.
alcohol. No alcohol, but luckily we have a boat, some like Malibu and some, what is that a name again? Jägermeister. Jägermeister. Yeah. That one. So we gotta enjoy with this, like mix up with those, like a Malibu and this and something else. Look at water is really clear today. I just want to say that. I want to walk around there, but maybe later, not now. I feel just chill. The water came until up here because nowadays too much raining and very high wave. So usually water gonna be stay around and the third line in there, and we can walk around. But today water come until to here. You see that? You see? Okay, something that. Oh, what is this? Come this time a little bit dark and steep. I think from this trees. Really nice, not this area. Last part of the Patong.
Yeah, Patong.
The Amari coral site. Okay, this is like the last part here. You can come to see a lot of people sitting from the here until here, like in the when there is like a you see, all sit down. People are sitting like this. Wait, show you I was to show myself. Look at the behind. There has a 7-Eleven. You buy something from there. You come down, sit here. If you can have a hotel in this homeless here, you are more easy for you. And you just like buy here and sit here and eat here. Don't need to go anywhere far, right?
Yeah. और इधर कौन सा वो शूटिंग हुआ था? टाइगर जिंदा है लास्ट सीन.
टाइगर जिंदा है. No, टाइगर था. एक था टाइगर. टाइगर था एक.
टाइगर तो है अभी भी. सारी जगह
अभी तो है. एक सलमान खान है. एक स्मॉल वाला.
टाइगर किंगडम की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो इधर आके ओरिजिनल टाइगर देखने जाओ. क्या
टाइगर किंगडम वाला तो वो मेरे साथ बुकिंग करो. मैं इसको सरप्राइज दूंगी.
वो तो मूवी का शूटिंग इधर हुआ था.
हाँ, मूवी का शूटिंग है. मिनी सलमान खान का तो मिनी है. इधर पतंग बीच में है होता है. उधर में वो लास्ट पार्ट इधर हियर. हाँ, उधर में हुआ था. टाइगर था एक. हाँ. Alright, see you. Just want to say hi and bye.